Joy Cat sent us this Farm Busy book, and Grayson has been loving it. All the pages have different things, so this one has like a cow that you can put behind the fence. This has a zipper. This one has apples that Velcro. You can kind of like move them around. These little carrots pop out and go back in. Then it has a little truck that opens up. The barn doors over here have a little button. The side has like a little shoelace that's tied up, and then the little piggy in there. He loves animals, so this is like the perfect toy for him. Then this side has a little thing there where you can get to the chicks. You say pig? What is this? Say duck. Quack, quack. Nay. Nay. You take him out? Oh, good job. Also, this little Farm Busy book is on sale right now. It is the brand Joy Cat. And I will link it down below. I think it's like $3 off.